So Rick Ross is still out here, letting the people know that the annual Rick Ross Car Show is coming in hot, and is showing off some of his amazing whips which he got parked over here in his hangar. Ross brought out this bike over here, riding around and eventually taking himself to the private jet. Let's check it out.
Biggest car and bike show event of the year. The tickets available right now. Go to Rick Ross Car Show. I'm gonna make sure I have at least 50 of my cars. You know, I'm 200 plus. You feel me? Get online. One time for Slippery Soap. That car care product, it gets no better. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know we love the whips. That's why we do what we do. One time for everybody that got their early bird ticket prices. I call them the player price. One time for all the hustlers who will be there. One time for all the big homies who performing. We're gonna have an announcement tomorrow. Let's go.
You have stayed with me to this point of the video. Consider subscribing, hit the like button, and leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.